welcome to my channel. Look what I've got. Straight from Philippines. Ordered this from my colleague and it came from Philippines. And it's the first time for me to see a copper mask. And I don't know how it's going to be in real life. Let's unbox it, okay? It says here, it is strong. It has a strong antimicrobial layer. It helps kill 99% of germs. It is superior bacteria exterminator effect. And it is comfortable. It has a complete prevention of saliva droplets. It helps prevent dermatitis and allergies, and it's harmless to humans. Okay, so let's see and try if it's really true. She wrote there, nurse base. Copper mask. I bought it for 60 reals. Dun! Oh, it comes along with a lot of filters. One. It has a cord that you're going to use as a tie to anchor it on your ears. It's stretchable. Let's get one of the filter. No, it's upside down. Like this. I don't know how. Ah, okay. There is a manual. Ah, so these stickers will serve as it's to fix it. Okay. First, fold the copper mask in half like this. Make sure that it is aligned. Place the two seals sticker at the top and bottom part of the mask. So the first sticker should go here like this. What the heck? Which sticker? Oh, this one. Okay, it should be like this. So let's put it together. And it's like that. And this one too, we'll put it together like this. Huh. It's like that and like that. Now it's ready to wear. Okay. Bye. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like button, and tiny bell icon. See ya.